If you have tried a CRM before and abandoned it within a week, you are not alone. Most are built for sales teams, not for people who win work through relationships. Nynch is different. This is your today view, your daily command center. It shows what needs your attention right now. Upcoming meetings, follow-ups due, and deals that need action. Revenue is where you plan your week and see your active opportunities. Every deal has an AI-calculated win probability, so you know exactly where to invest your time. Contacts is your entire network in one place. Everyone you know, enriched with AI, scored for fit, with a full history of every interaction and relationship insight. Network is the heart of Nynch, where you nurture the relationships that actually generate revenue, organize people into buckets, track engagement, and find warm introductions instead of sending cold outreach. And email brings all your client conversations into one unified inbox, with AI that helps you prioritize and reply faster. That is the core of Nynch. No steep learning curve, no complex setup, just the tools you need to grow through the relationships you already have. Start by adding your first contact.